Purchases of new property, plant, and equipment are referred to as capital expenditures, aka Capex. They are capital assets not intended to be resold with or without further processing, meaning, they are not inventories. They are intended to be used in the business for a relatively long period of time, unlike office supplies, such as pens and notebooks that are expensed and normally consumed within a year. Capital expenditures do not appear immediately as expenses on the income statement. Instead, Capex is capitalized and it is recorded as an asset. We illustrate a debt increase to fund the Capex, but it could be cash reduction, or new equity issue as the case may be. Firms recognize these expenditures as expenses over time as depreciation. In other words, capital assets have more than 1 year of useful life. As opposed to Capex, operating expenses are deducted from earnings immediately. Operating expenses are referred to as Opex, and they are ordinary expenses such as travel, entertainment, administrative expenses. Opex are expensed, and almost by definition, immediately reduces net income and therefore retained earnings. You may take out your client for dinner, and incur entertainment expenses, debit expense, and credit cash. Or you may go on a business trip. Debit expense, credit accounts payable. In summary, there are a few key differences between Capex and Opex. Capex is an investment in property, plant, or equipment. Capex is capitalized and booked as an asset, then expensed over multiple years. This process is called depreciation. On the other hand, Opex is ordinary expenses such as administrative expenses and selling costs, and immediately expensed. In our future videos, we will cover more advanced finance topics, such as different tax consequences depending on whether the expenditure is Capex or Opex. In case of Capex, the expenditure is only deductible as much as depreciation. On the other hand, Opex is usually immediately fully deductible. But as a basic understanding, this video suffices to cover the key understanding of Capex and Opex. In the next video, we will look more deeply into depreciation.